Welcome back friends. In today's video I'm gonna do the review of Duke 200 BS6 and I'll also be giving you 6 reasons for which you should consider this bike. As you can see, the bike has got totally fresh and updated look. Engine is same but tuned according to the BS6 norms. It has got single cylinder 199.5cc engine which generates 25 PS of power at 10,000 rpm and 19.3 Nm of torque at 8,000 rpm. Now you are getting daytime running LEDs in its headlamp, and it looks very good in daytime as well as in night time. And also you are getting two colors in this bike. One is in white and another one is in orange. Bike is looking good in both the colors. Fuel tank capacity of this bike is 13.5 liters and the average you can get from this bike is 30 to 35 kilometers per liter. Riding posture is straight upright posture, which is very good, and another big advantage in this model is pillion seat is quite large so that pillion can sit comfortable. Front disc brake is equipped with ABS and you're getting a kill switch, engine kill switch, and self, which you used to get in previous model as well. Rear brakes are also equipped with ABS. Now you are having dual channel ABS in this bike, front as well as rear, which is very good. And this update was required and it was very important for this bike, which we missed in previous models. Chassis which we are getting in this bike is called split release frame, which is same as Duke 250 and Duke 390. Being a sports bike, it has got decent amount of ground clearance. You can drive anywhere in the city as well as highway, but anyhow I won't suggest you to go on off-road on this bike. Size of front disc is 300 mm and size of rear disc is 230 mm. Weight of this bike is 150.3 kg without fuel. There is engine guard below the engine, which is very good. It prevents the damage to the engine, especially on speed breakers. MID of this bike is very good. You will be getting a lot of information in this MID, from kilometers, distance to empty, gear shift indicator, RPM indicator, trip A, trip B, and service reminder, engine malfunction light, check engine light, and battery indication, low battery indication. All the information you will be getting in MID. So overall MID is also very good in this bike. Now I will be giving you 6 reasons to consider this bike over other bikes. Reason number 1, road grip. There is no doubt road grip of this bike is superb as compared to other bikes in the market. Apart from road grip, braking is also very good in this bike as compared to other bikes, as you are getting dual channel ABS. Reason number 2 is design. As you can see, the bike has got a totally new and updated design. The bike looks good in this design, and apart from that, pillion seat comfort was missing in the previous model. So now we are having bigger pillion seat. Pillion is also very comfortable, and apart from that, fuel tank, it has got metal one. Reason number 3 is reliability of this bike. There is no doubt Duke 200 is one of the most successful product of KTM, and There are no failures or major problems reported in this bike. Reason number 4 is power, pickup, mileage. Everything is balanced in this bike. Power to weight ratio of this bike is also very good, and you are getting what you are paying for it. Reason number 5 is comfortable pillion seat. Now you can take a pillion even on long rides, no problem, as seat is better than before and it is comfortable as well. Reason number 6 is you can use it for city driving, highway as well as daily commute. So overall, bike is very good. If your budget allows you, you should definitely go for this bike. Hope this review was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Enjoy riding KTM.